Masuk apa saja?
Hari ini Mr. Johan datang bicara di University di Oxford ini. Dia mau kasih keterangan dari development di Papua. Tapi dari itu mau tanya, kenapa kau mau development? Baru kenapa kau tidak tanya human rights dalam kau punya development? Hanya pembangun yang lain itu yang bunuh orang saja. Kenapa kau tidak mau tanya isu human rights juga tambah dalam kau punya development? Begitu.
Today we came with my brother alongside with the Mr. Joe Hung, because he just came for his program World Bank and with the all the academies in the Oxford University. We came here. We protest because they talk about only development, but they not talk about human rights issues. We are the owner people, so they can't ignore us. We are human, and they just interest our resource. We not happy about that. We Papuan, we want to pray first and then development. So they're dealing with the illegal occupation, which is Indonesia. So we're not happy, and we came here to protest today.
What about transmigration planning from World Bank, and then what happened? World Bank give money to West Papua.
Yeah, because they didn't give money through local people directly, but they give the money. World Bank gives the money to Indonesian government, and the Indonesian government used the money to financing or transportation for the transmigrasi enter to West Papua.
What for money from World Bank?
For military, and they give.
What doing in military in West Papua?
Yeah.
From money.
They killing us.
They gave the money to Indonesia, and the Indonesian government, gave to directly to the military killing us, torture us, intimidate us, and put us in the prison. We are Papuan people, not free. Please, people, don't ignore us. We are human. Please don't close your eyes and don't close your ears. We want to free, and then dealing with you. But we're not happy, while we suffer, while we killing, torture, intimidation, and even in prison, we are not Papua not free. So you can't walk away. You know it about issue of West Papua, human rights, what's going on, but you ignore us. But one day we will pray, and then you will see.
Arriba.